Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best paint sprayers for cabinets available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking to achieve a flawless finish, this video will help you make the right choice. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Tilswall HVLP paint sprayer. Tilswall has designed this sprayer to be ultra lightweight, using aerospace-grade materials that reduce the weight by 47% compared to traditional models. This makes it incredibly comfortable to use over long periods, especially with its ergonomic handle that fits naturally in your hand. Its streamlined design allows for tool-free assembly, making it an excellent choice for beginners. The Tilswall sprayer features adjustable flow control and interchangeable nozzles, 1.5mm and 2mm. So you can fine-tune it to suit various projects, from furniture to garden fences. It also offers 3 spray patterns: vertical, horizontal, and round, delivering professional-grade results with minimal effort. However, the sprayer requires paint to be thin to 100 din viscosity, which may add an extra step for some users. While its lightweight design is a major plus, the smaller 20 fluid ounce paint cup means you may find yourself refilling frequently on larger projects. It's a solid choice for smaller DIY tasks, but may not be ideal for heavy-duty use. Overall, the Tilswall HVLP paint sprayer is perfect for users seeking a lightweight, beginner-friendly option with excellent precision. Just ensure you're prepared for additional paint thinning steps. The Mirror Zone 1000W high-power paint sprayer takes the 4th spot on our list. This sprayer is built for performance and efficiency, featuring a powerful 1000W motor that ensures even and consistent atomization. It offers a generous 1,400 milliliter container, reducing the need for frequent refills, which is a boon for medium-sized painting projects like cabinets or furniture. What sets this model apart is the adjustable spray width knob, which minimizes overspray for a cleaner workspace and better paint utilization. You also get 4 nozzle sizes and 3 spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, and circular, allowing for incredible versatility. The double-layer insulation and brass nozzles add durability and safety, while the included cleaning accessories make post-project cleanup a breeze. While the Mirror Zone sprayer excels in performance, its relatively heavier weight of 3 pounds might lead to fatigue during extended use. It's ideal for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who want a powerful and versatile sprayer for a variety of tasks. The combination of adjustability and safety features makes it worth considering, especially if you value precision. At number 3 is the Inocraft paint sprayer, a versatile option designed with DIY novices in mind. It features a powerful 600 watts motor that delivers smooth and consistent atomization, ensuring 90% paint transfer with little thinning required. The 1,200 milliliter translucent container allows you to keep track of your paint levels easily, while the magnetic base ensures continuous paint flow without drips or interruptions. The sprayer comes with 3 brass nozzles and 3 spray patterns, making it suitable for a variety of projects. It also includes a comprehensive cleaning kit and a quick flush adapter for hassle-free cleanup. One standout feature is the disposable paint bag, which eliminates the need to wash the paint container, perfect for switching between colors. While the InnoCraft sprayer is user-friendly and efficient, its heavier weight of 4.16 pounds may not be ideal for extended use. Nevertheless, its versatility and thoughtful design make it an excellent choice for homeowners and hobbyists who need a reliable tool for medium-sized projects. Taking the second spot is another high-performance offering from MirrorZone, the 1,000-watt high-power electric spray paint gun. This model is packed with features that enhance both performance and convenience. With an adjustable spray width knob and flow control, you can achieve precise and efficient results, reducing overspray and maximizing paint utilization. This sprayer is equipped with premium brass nozzles for durability and a motor with a temperature protection fuse, ensuring a longer lifespan. The 1,400 milliliter container, combined with 4 nozzle sizes and 3 spray patterns, makes it a versatile choice for a variety of projects. Plus, the easy-to-clean design, along with included cleaning tools, makes maintaining the sprayer a hassle-free process. While it's a solid option for medium to large projects, the weight of 3 pounds could be a drawback for extended use. This sprayer is an excellent choice for DIYers and professionals who need a reliable and capable tool for detailed and large-scale painting projects. Finally, taking the top spot is the HomeRite C800-971A Super Finish Max Paint Sprayer. This sprayer is a favorite among DIYers and professionals alike, thanks to its powerful 450-watt motor and ability to handle a wide range of materials, from latex paints to stains and sealers. It features 3 brass spray tips for superior performance and durability, ensuring a smooth and consistent finish every time. The adjustable air cap allows for horizontal, vertical, and round spray patterns, while the material flow control knob lets you fine-tune the output for precise results. At just 2.76 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for extended use. Cleanup is straightforward, and the sprayer comes with a 2-year warranty backed by US-based customer support. Although slightly pricier compared to other options, its versatility, build quality, and consistent performance make it well worth the investment. The HomeRite Super Finish Max is the ultimate choice for those seeking professional quality results on a variety of projects, from cabinets to furniture. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right paint sprayer for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Got questions about these products? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.